Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a blessed day today. I decided to film a New Year's glam kind of look today for you, and I'm really happy with how this look turned out. I actually wore a look very similar to this on Christmas Eve, so I definitely wanted to share that with you. And it's using a bunch of different eyeshadows from all over the place, and hopefully you will be able to recreate the look yourselves. I'm sure you guys will be able to. I love this, and it has a really pretty ombre lip. As always, we're going to prime our lids, and I have some powder to catch fallout. We're using the Smoke&Mirrors Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to pick up Keeper, and I'm just using that as a transition shade to give the darker purple something to blend out into, if that makes sense. So we're just windshield wipering that on a big fluffy blending brush, and we're just going to messily put that in our crease. Once again, I always say messily because later on we go out and we blend it out anyways, and that lip, you guys, is getting on my nerves so very badly. We fix it later, so don't worry. And the next shade is from this Inglot duo here, and it's just a dark plum shimmery shade, and it kind of comes off with this red kind of undertone to it too, and it's very beautiful in person. I'm taking that on a pencil brush, and first I'm going to start applying it lightly and in the outer corner, and I'm going to bring it all the way into the crease to the inner corner. Now, if that seems too far, we're going to fix that later anyways, but it's all for the cut crease purposes. We're going to play that down, and then we're going to do some blending. And while we blend that out, I hope you guys are going to have a great New Year's Eve. If you are going out and celebrating, be careful, be safe, always have a designated driver, all that good jazz, you guys. We're taking Sweetheart from the Soft Glam Smoke&Mirrors palette, and I'm applying that as the rub on highlight. So that's on just a fluffy kind of shader brush, and I'm applying that under the brow, blending it down, and I am blending Keeper in between the purple transition and the brow bone shade. Blend, 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 and once again we're going to go back in with the shades and reapply them, deepen them up, and really see the look start to come together here. As always, we're using our Wet&Wild Photofocus concealer on the lid to cut the crease, placing it on the lid, kind of blinking up a couple times, and it's going to set our crease line. I'm blending that out with a concealer brush. Now, the shade we're taking now on our lid is from the Natasha Denona Mini Nude palette, I believe, not entirely sure, but on a flat shader brush we're taking that very shimmery champagne French vanilla kind of shade and placing it on the lid and dragging it, pressing it in, just making sure it's worked really into the concealer. And I'm applying that shade in the inner corner as well. We're going to go back in with our pencil brush with the purple, and we're going to deepen out our outer corner, and then we're going to crisp up our crease line, all while trying to blend everything out as well. So wiping away our fallout, because there will be fallout from this purple shade, unfortunately. It's just very pigmented and dark, and you know, dark shades do that. So we're going to apply that same beautiful purple shade on our lower lash line. We're using the Jordana 12-hour pencil, and the upper waterline and the lower waterline we're using the Believe Beauty Queen Mauve eyeliner. It's long lasting, it's awesome. Loreal Infallible liquid eyeliner, so just a thin strip of that for our lash band. And this is the Profusion like eye topper, but it's in Twinkle. I do think this look is very beautiful without the glitter, but because it's a New Year's Eve look, I decided to add the glitter on top. On Christmas Eve, I went without the glitter. Very beautiful look nonetheless, and I cannot wait until we fix those lips, y'all. It's driving me crazy. So we apply the glitter, and next we're using Salon Perfect's Demi Whispies eyelashes, false eyelashes, and the Duo adhesive. Awesome. These are very easy to apply, very beautiful and glamorous on the eyes without being crazy. And unfortunately, the inner corner of this lash never adhered, so we have to deal with that nonsense as well. Using the eyelash curler to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes. Don't do this unless the glue on the eyelashes are completely dry. Otherwise it will yank it off. We're using the Covergirl Supersizer Mascara. And for lips, finally, the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lippy in Dreamer. And this is Broadway True Matte lipstick in, I cannot remember the name, but it's a matte black. So I just applied the purple and applied some black in the outer corner and blent the black in with the purple. And you can also use Nude Lip for this, and that's Hard Candy's Glow Setting Spray, and that's our finished look, you guys. You can pair this with lots of different lips, and I think that this lip looks very beautiful, and the nude lip would look equally beautiful. And that's our finished look, and I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's, a wonderful start to your new year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for always watching and commenting, and a wonderful YouTube year. Thank you so very much. Stay tuned for more videos. Check the description box for product lists as well as other links, and see you guys next year.